down. Hog location, Bohemian hunting club. Hey, that's a hog there. That's a hog down.
November 26th, I think, morning hunt. Big boar down, big old cutters, 450 Bushmaster, about a 100-yard shot. Remington AccuTips, right there below the ear hole. Job well done. We at the Bohemian Hunting Club say, it's hogs down. Alright, here we go. Bohemian Hunting Club. A productive morning this morning. 450 Bushmaster. Took down these. The first one, about 100 yards. AccuTips, Remington AccuTips. And then shot the second one that was in the void. Hit that fat. It basically like not hitting the pig. And then these two were 50 yards, and these were with Hornady FTX and Bear Creek Upper Bushnell Dusted On scope, if you're wondering. But here we go. I'm gonna get the quarters cut off these and the back straps cut out, and that's it. Bohemian Hunting Club.